How to add shortcut to control center on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. At first, open Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the top right corner, tap on plus icon to create a new shortcut. In the search action bar, type and select take a screenshot. Tap on the search action bar again, then type and select save to photos. Now set the final action. Type and select wait. Now go back and see your shortcut is created. Swipe down from top right side to open control center. Tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. Then tap add a control. In the search bar, type shortcut. Then select run shortcut. Tap on choose. Then select the shortcut you just created. Now try a screenshot by tapping on this. It will take a screenshot waiting 1 second and save this to automatically on Photos app. And that's it.